Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna tell you about this app.js file, and basically it is importing data from this file student.jsx. We are just importing, and this is a CSS file property put is importing, and the function in the inside of the function called app. We have defined the array const students where the name is defined like Chirag, Rahul, Aman, Rohit, Akash. We can define more it in the next in the in the last of the video. But before that, we introduced to you in the side of the return function that is defined as in the diff component. This is h1, h2, and h4. This is not the main thing, but the main thing is this. What is this? This that is calling the array thing one by one inside the name objects, name their name element. We can do it as obj. We call it as obj. There is no fixed thing that we define it as names. OBG कर सकते हैं, OBJS कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. And this is this is the function we will make it into the file of student.jsx. So before that function we have made and introducing function, we will use props property. Props. What is props? Props is basically a property we are using to fetch from the data to this like uh, um, props is properties. It's a read-only configuration object used to pass data downward from a parent component to a child component in React. What is it? Like this is a parent component, and it is defining data from this and to this. So we will define a diff into the return function. Basically, every function has a return statement. So yeah, inside this, and we got a diff component. Oh, sorry, diff component, and inside of it diff component we will and to this props to props like objs. We have different objs, and map we will use map function student index. Why we use index here? It will मैं आपको last बताऊं. I will tell you in the last. And yeah, so this should be done. And the thing is h1 component. Inside h1 we will student. In just few seconds I will tell you why we use index. Yeah, so why we use index? Because to fetch a data from this table, sorry, in the from the array, one by one getting, how we'll define it was one by get we are getting, and then one by one, because we use index component. What it is index? Like it is giving like 0, sorry, 0, 1, 2. Basically you have studied in the Java script and Java CSS जो भी है आपके पास, C++, you have studied in this, not in CSS. By mistake I have said it. So there is an indexing. We use indexing to fetch a data from the array, and let's see it is running or not. No, it is not running. Oh, by mistake I have not export now. Export default student. Now it should run. No, it is not running. No? It's not running. I don't know what is the problem here. Let's change the name. I don't have a problem now. You can define it any names. Now there should not be a problem anything. Yeah, it works perfect. So we are fetching the name. Can I put a name extra here, like Bhumi. So let's see, there's a Bhumi. Okay. Can I say Adarsh? Let's see, it's Adarsh. So can I remove it? All the components, just left Chirag. Yeah. So it is working perfect, no? Um, this is how the thing is work.